In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color on Sunsama. Have you ever wanted to personalize your Sunsama workspace just a bit more? Well, changing the colors of your channels can do just that, providing a touch of individuality and improved organization to your digital flow. We'll walk through this simple process together, step by step, ensuring clarity every step of the way. First, let's make our way to the Sunsama settings. You'll find this option readily available after you log into your Sunsama account. Once you're in, the Settings menu is usually located in the corner of your screen, and it serves as your gateway to customizing various elements of your Sunsama environment. From here, the next move is to navigate toward Channels and Contexts. This area of your settings is pivotal for managing all the channels you engage with daily. It's also worth mentioning that you can alternatively click on the main Sunsama drop-down menu, which is conveniently found in the top left corner of your screen, and select Manage Channels. Both of these options will lead you to the same destination. Now, in this section, you'll have an overview of all your channels. It's time to pick the specific channel you want to adjust. Taking time to choose the right channel is crucial, because each color can help you subconsciously associate the channel with a particular task or priority. Once you've clicked on your channel of choice, you'll see a variety of customization options. Among these, there should be an option to select a different color from the available palette for the channel. Now, don't rush this step. Explore the palette offered to you. The colors are more than just visual aesthetics. They play a key role in structuring your daily workflow. A bright color might work well to highlight high-priority tasks, while something a bit more muted could suit routine activities better. If you're undecided, take a moment to think about what each color represents to you and how it fits into your productivity strategy. Once you've found the perfect hue that matches your needs, go ahead and select it. The changes will automatically update, and voila, your channel now sports a brand new color that aligns with your workflow style. Remember, customizing the colors of your channels isn't just about making things look pretty. It's a strategic move to help you intuitively locate and differentiate between your various tasks, enhancing both speed and efficiency. And that wraps up today's guide. With just a few clicks, you've tailored your Sunsama workspace to better suit your personal or professional needs. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope your organizing experience becomes even more vibrant and personalized. Happy organizing, and see you in the next tutorial.